How to show selected variant images in Shopify's product page. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do this. Now, obviously the image is just going to be shown by default, but you are also going to be able to see other variants images, and you don't really want that. You just want to highlight the image of the main product and also the variant that you have selected, and that's it. So how do we do this? It's very simple. We just go to online store, themes, and click on edit theme. Next up, we just want to go to the default product page. But make sure you select a product that does actually have variants so we can obviously test this. So just make sure you select one from here at the top. And I think I have this one, which does actually have two different variants here. So anyways, now by default, this is the setting for me. I do have it to only show the product image for the appropriate variant. It's not really going to show the other one. But if it does actually show the other one for you, what you want to do basically just click on the arrow next to product information and click on product media. Now, if you don't see this, then just click on product information itself. Now, this obviously just depends on the theme and where they have this setting. So for me in Horizon, you simply just want to click on product media. Now, simply just scroll down to almost the bottom and you should be able to find hide unselected variant media. This is basically what you need to toggle on, which for me, I did toggle on already. But if it is off for you, you're just going to be able to see all the different media for all variants, no matter which one you actually select, as you can see. The only difference is this one is just going to be the one at the top. So we just want to, again, make sure we hide unselected variants media, and it's just going to show our variants photos and also the main product image, which we can't really hide. And yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.